Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best chalkboard marker pens on the market, the LANA and LUCA liquid chalk markers in vintage colors. If you've been searching for markers that bring vibrant, bold colors to your chalkboards, windows, glass, or any non-porous surface, then you're in the right place. First off, these markers come in a pack of 8 with a 6mm reversible tip, giving you versatility in your writing or drawing. Whether you want a broad stroke or something a bit more precise, the reversible tip allows you to switch between a bold and chisel edge easily, making them perfect for creating signs, menus, art projects, or decorative displays. One of the standout features of these markers is their dustless, wet erase formula. Unlike traditional chalk, which can be messy and dusty, these liquid chalk markers are clean and easy to use, making them ideal for all ages, from teachers and students to artists and business owners. The ink delivers vibrant vintage colors that really pop and catch attention, enhancing the overall look of your chalkboard or glass surface. Cleaning up is simple. When you're ready to start fresh, a quick wipe with a wet paper towel removes the ink completely from almost any non-porous surface. This wet erase feature means you won't have to worry about stubborn stains or ghosting effects that sometimes come with regular chalk or other markers. The markers are designed with a plastic body and a durable felt tip, ensuring they last through lots of creative sessions. They're lightweight, easy to handle, and comfortable to write with for extended periods. The ink flows smoothly, allowing for consistent coverage without blotches or fading. Whether you're creating daily menus for your bistro, decorating your home's chalkboard wall, or crafting vibrant messages on windows or glass, the LANA and LUCA liquid chalk markers provide a professional finish with rich colors that stand out. Their versatility makes them a great tool for many different settings and creative uses. Overall, these markers are an excellent investment if you want a clean, colorful, and easy-to-use chalk marker that won't leave behind dust or mess. With the vintage color palette, your artwork or writing gets a unique, classic touch that's perfect for seasonal themes or stylish designs. That wraps up our look at the LANA and LUCA liquid chalk markers, the best chalkboard marker pens for vibrant, mess-free creativity. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews and recommendations. See you next time.